Have you ever seen an entire museum made from chocolate? Today, I'm inside Beijing's famous Wangfujing Food Mall, and hidden inside is one of the sweetest attractions I've ever come across in China, the Chocolate Museum. At first glance, it looks like a normal entrance. But once you step inside, you quickly realize this is much more than a shop selling chocolate. What makes this place special is that it combines chocolate with Chinese culture and history. Instead of simple displays, you'll find massive chocolate artworks inspired by some of China's most famous landmarks and cultural symbols. The concept is to tell stories through chocolate, turning something we normally eat into a form of art. The museum reportedly took years to develop and uses an enormous amount of chocolate in its exhibits. As I walk through the museum, the level of detail is incredible. There are chocolate sculptures, traditional Chinese designs, and replicas inspired by famous Beijing landmarks. Some of the most impressive pieces are modeled after iconic Chinese architecture and cultural treasures, showing just how far chocolate can be pushed as an artistic medium. One of the most fascinating things about this museum is that you're constantly asking yourself the same question: is this really made of chocolate? The textures, colors, and craftsmanship make many of these creations look like stone, wood, bronze, or gold from a distance. And it's not just about looking at chocolate. After exploring the exhibits, the experience continues into the souvenir area. This section is packed with gifts, decorations, local specialties, and chocolate-themed products. It's the kind of place where you walk in expecting to spend a few minutes and end up browsing for much longer than planned. Further inside, you'll also find stalls selling traditional Chinese products, including tea and other local specialties, adding another layer to the experience and making the market feel like a blend of culture, food, and shopping. What I like most about this place is that it isn't just a museum and it isn't just a market. It's a combination of both. You get art, history, shopping, food, and a unique look at how modern China is creating new attractions by mixing tradition with creativity. If you're visiting Beijing and exploring Wangfujing, this is definitely one stop worth adding to your list. And honestly, I never expected one of the most memorable cultural experiences in Beijing to start with chocolate.